I think the thing that really took me by surprise with this was after getting laid off from my job and losing my health care coverage and then not being able to get COBRA, calling around and calling the different private providers, and as soon as I said what my situation was, forget it. Absolutely wouldn't even go any further with it. I have hydrocephalus. It's water on the brain. There's a tube that I have that goes from my head, drains the fluid down into the abdominal area. Once the shunt was put in, everything's fine. I'm functional, normal, good to go. I have to have a neurosurgeon look at it, check it, make sure everything's working right. I see the doctor once a year. I have a neurologist that I go and see. So as long as it's functioning normally, I'm functioning normally. There's all of these tests that I have to have done routinely every single year, and sometimes once every 6 months, and without insurance this is impossible. It's impossible to even imagine how much these tests cost. I've gotten CT scans every year. I get MRIs. I mean, those are, even looking at the cost of them on the insurance paperwork when I had insurance was, thousands of dollars. That's not something that I can pay. The thing that really scares me is that by the time I show any kind of symptoms of anything being wrong, the shunt will have already stopped working. That can cause brain damage, and that would end up with me going to the ER, having emergency surgery. That's, without regular monitoring, I run a real risk of, something serious happening, and that scares me.
Living and working in Europe, particularly living and working in Germany, can be very exciting. It's a lovely country. But you need to take care of your health insurance issues. If you're a resident in Germany, then it's compulsory to have a health insurance plan. Depending on your level of income, this can either be a government-sponsored plan or a private health insurance plan. But it's important to note, both of these solutions do not cover you outside of Germany, and also there's restricted access to some of the leading private facilities in Germany. For these reasons, many of our clients, particularly foreigners moving to Germany, may want to take out a more international style plan that would A, give them access to treatment outside of Germany, back in their home country for example, or B, allow them to access the more expensive private medical facilities in Germany. Pacific Prime is the world's largest distributor of international private medical insurance to individuals and SMEs. So if you're going to live and work in Germany and you're looking for advice on health insurance issues, why not come and talk to us?